Are you passionate about saving the environment but worried about your budget? Don't worry, because today we will show you some budget-friendly environmental tips to help you save the planet without breaking the bank. So let's get started. Tip number 1, reduce water consumption. By fixing leaks, installing low-flow shower heads, and turning off the tap while brushing your teeth, you can save both water and money. Tip number 2, opt for reusable alternatives. Say goodbye to single-use plastic bottles and invest in a durable, reusable water bottle. The same goes for coffee cups and shopping bags. These small changes can significantly reduce waste and cut down on expenses. Tip number 3, embrace energy-saving habits. Unplug electronics when not in use, switch to LED bulbs, and make use of natural light whenever possible. These simple changes can save both energy and money. Tip number 4, shop consciously. Seek out second-hand or thrift stores for clothing, furniture, and other items you may need. It helps reduce waste, supports local businesses, and often saves you money. Tip number 5, grow your own food. Gardening not only allows you to enjoy fresh produce but also reduces your carbon footprint. Start with a small herb garden or even grow vegetables in pots. Remember, saving the environment doesn't have to be expensive. By implementing these budget-friendly tips, you can make a positive impact while keeping your wallet happy. Thanks for watching this video. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more environmentally friendly content. Together, we can make a difference.